Hi, this is Dr. Todd S from California Hernia Specialists. We know that having surgery can be an anxiety-provoking experience. That's why we try to make everything before, during, and after your surgery as effortless and as streamlined as possible. Just a little bit about what to expect on the day of surgery. We ask patients who are taking any blood thinners like aspirin or Plavix or Coumadin to stop those for at least 5 days before surgery. Patients must have someone to come with them and pick them up after surgery. Obviously, hernia surgery requires anesthesia, so patients will either have sedation or have general anesthesia and will need somebody to take them home after surgery because they certainly won't be able to drive. We also require that patients have someone to be with them for the first 24 hours after surgery. Patients that don't have any local family members, there's a number of services that we can provide with nurses in the area that are willing to stay with patients for a 24-hour period. Patients are asked to come about an hour before surgery. That gives patients and the nurses plenty of time to do all of the paperwork needed, to have an IV placed so that patients can get sedation, as well as the ability to give patients antibiotics before surgery. The surgery itself, about an hour long, depending on your hernia. Patients' family members don't have to stay for the entire time. They can leave, get something to drink or eat, and come back after an hour or so. In the recovery room, we try to have family members present with the patients for as long as we can. So as soon as a patient's stable and awake, we invite patients' family members to come back and recover with them. Here at our hernia center, we're able to control our nursing. We have some outstanding nurses for you before, during, and after your surgery. After you've recovered for about an hour, most patients, the anesthetic has worn off and they feel well enough to stand and walk, and patients can be discharged home. Again, as we discuss on the website and in other videos, for the first 3 or 4 days we ask patients not to plan any big work or family activities and just rest at home. Overall, we think here at California Hernia Specialists, we ensure that your process is streamlined from start to finish, and we think that you'll have a good experience with us. We certainly encourage you to call or email us if you have any questions, and we look forward to meeting you soon. Thanks.